I would have liked to make a mallet out of these pieces of oak. They came from a tree that my brother cut down, but I ended up playing a never-ending game of Monopoly, so not much was done with the wood lathe this weekend. But I thought I'll give you an update anyway. As you can see, I have mounted a VFD drive, and that gives me a nice speed range up to a maximum of about 650 RPM, and I don't think I should go any faster with these type of bearings. I mounted the motor directly to the board. There's no way to adjust the belt tension. This also means that it will be hard to do any sliding spindle threading, because for that the belt length needs to change a bit. But I don't think I will need to thread anything when doing woodwork. Unfortunately, there is a bit of a problem with the motor, and I'll let it run now. At first I thought it was the lathe that was causing that rattling sound, but it turns out it is the motor. There is some play on the motor axle, and it seems like there's only play on the axle when I try to move the pulley towards me. When I move it up and down, it is, well, there's still a bit, but it is less. And I think this is because of the bearing seat, probably on the rear, is worn out, so it's a bit egg-shaped. Well, I suspect that this is the problem. I did put new bearings in there. This is the motor running at 20 Hz, and I can stall it quite easy. 30 Hz, no problem. And here is what a motor sounds like without the lathe running. This is full speed, 60 Hz. I will probably try gluing the bearings in place, but I think I will need to look for another motor. I did not completely waste the weekend playing Monopoly. I also made a new tool rest, which is a lot wider than the original unit. I think this will be much more useful. It's a very simple design. It's turned down a piece of round stock and welded on 30 centimeters of angle iron. This is a 3mm thick. I'm not sure if it will be strong enough, but if it isn't, I'll just shorten this one and make a new one using a thicker angle iron. It did warp a bit after welding, so I filed it down a bit in the middle. There's one more repair I did, not in a weekend but last week, and this little thing here was missing, so I wasn't able to properly lock things up, and that's probably why they added a set screw. This actually took a long time to make. Alright, I'll leave you with a couple of pictures how I made this small part. I probably overcomplicated things. Maybe you know a simpler way. Let me know.